everybody! Today we're going to be learning the rhyme, zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. And then we're going to make our very own rocket ship so that we can go to the moon too. Let's start with the rhyme. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship and zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! To start, make sure that you have all of your materials. You should have the template with all of the parts for your rocket ship printed out, a glue stick or liquid glue, scissors, a toilet paper tube or paper towel tube cut in half, a pencil. A marker is optional, but I'm going to be using it for tracing and for adding some details later. Tape is also optional, but it might help you get the top of your rocket on. And construction paper. You should have at least 4 colors. Start by cutting out the pieces from your template. Once you've cut out all the template pieces, trace them onto your construction paper and then cut that out as well. Once your template pieces are cut out, it's time to put construction paper around the toilet paper tube. Line up your tube on one end of the construction paper and mark the height. Keep rolling your tube along the paper, marking the height at multiple spots. And then you'll cut along this line. Use your glue stick to cover the paper. And then roll up your tube. Next, we're going to glue on our windows. I chose to outline my windows with a marker as well. Next, we're going to cut 4 slits on the body of the rocket tube at the bottom. Try to make them form across evenly. You'll use those 4 cuts on the bottom to place your rocket fins. The last step is to create the nose cone of the rocket. Take your final piece, add glue to one of the straight sides, and then overlap it. I'll need to add just a little bit more glue. You can either glue this in place or tape it. It just depends on which works easier for you. I'm going to tape it on. And there we are, a rocket ready for takeoff. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again next time. Blast off!